Welcome! In today's guide, you'll learn exactly how to change your country on the X app using the most up-to-date method. Whether you've moved to a new location or simply need to update your account information, this quick step-by-step walkthrough will make the process simple and clear. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're inside, look at the top left or top right corner of the screen, depending on your device, and tap on your profile icon. This will open a menu with various options for your account and settings. From that menu, scroll down until you see the option called Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage many aspects of your profile and app preferences. Next, find and tap on Your Account. This section contains all the key information tied to your profile. Among the options listed, select Account Information. At this point, you might be asked to verify your identity, so follow any on-screen prompts if that happens. Inside your account information settings, you'll see an option labeled Country. Tap on it. A list of available countries will appear for you to choose from. Scroll through the list until you find the country you want to set for your account. Once you've found it, select the country and then confirm your choice. Some changes might instantly take effect, while others could require you to restart the app or wait a short period for the update to be completed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country on the X app. This update can influence your content recommendations, trends, and certain app features, so choosing the right location is important. If you ever need to switch it again, simply follow these same steps. Keeping your account details up to date ensures you get the most relevant experience every time you use the app. Thanks for following along.